Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best TradingView indicators. So let's quickly dive into it. So if you want to trade smarter on TradingView, start with a few essential indicators. Starting with the moving average, which is the SMA or the EMAs. This also help you spot trend level. RSI also show you the overbought or the oversold conditions, and using the MACD also identifies the momentum shift and the potential reversal. Also add volume to confirm trend strength. Consider Bollinger Band for volatility insight. Also keep your chart clean by using 3 to 5 key indicator instead of cluttering it with everything. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more trading tips, and comment which indicator you will use first. And that's it.